Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 16th on a Monday morning, and the SPY this morning is gapping up right in the middle of Friday's range. We are definitely still in no man's land. Just you can see the right in the middle of the kind of range that we're in right now, above the 10 and 20, but still below the 50-period moving average. Once again, cash can be a position. I actually went home nothing over the weekend, and I may not make a trade today. So let's take a look, though. There's some stocks that are setting up. A couple of China stocks are actually, even though China has really pulled back pretty hard the last few days, I'm seeing a few setups in here. First on the list is TAL, T-A-L. Just pulled back right off this. You can see came right down to this. What was resistance is now support, bounced off the 20, and it is gapping up this morning above this 10-period moving average. So that one's on the radar. Another one is this PDD. Really disappointed that I missed this at this 100. I had an alert there, and everything just happened so early in the morning. Well, now it looks like it's pulling back. I'm hoping for a little drive down this morning, maybe to this support level, but nonetheless, that's a strong looking chart there in PDD. One more China, then we'll move on to another, is this MNSO. Just kind of hanging out here, been hanging out in this range. It is right above all its moving averages. Maybe look for a break above these, not so much that wick there, but these candle bodies. All right, so let's take a look at one more. Got a little bit of time here, so let's take a look at Rely. Now this is nice looking chart there, not pulling back what the market had to drive down on 3 days ago, but bounced right back up, and now it looks like it's trying to take out that high over there. So keep it RELY. There's some others on the list, but that's it for today. Have a great one. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.